Lifetrons RE-100 Radio Frequency Eye Rejuvenator. Wash your face with facial cleanser first. Apply a thin layer of Lifetrons RF gel around your eyes. Open the protective cap of the device. Press power button and activate the radio frequency mode. Press power button again to adjust the intensity. Massage your eyes softly and avoid the eyelids. From your face to the contour of your eyes, massage the area for 5 to 8 seconds. Each eye for 5 minutes and use the device 3 times per week. Radio frequency stimulates collagen growth and reduces fine lines on loose skin by raising the temperature of subcutaneous tissue. Press power button for 3 seconds to turn off the device. Clean the massage head with dry cloth or tissue after use. Please wash away the RF gel before applying a thin layer of eye cream around your eyes. Hold the conductive strips on both sides of the device to form a current loop between your hand and the massage area. The current will be formed automatically once on the massage head touches your skin. Move the massage head slowly around your eyes. This can effectively lift the muscles around your eyes, boost skin care absorption, and improve blood circulation. Lifetrons RE-100 Radio Frequency Eye Rejuvenator. Brighten your eye.